Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. That is very important. Before I get into anything about this video, if you're an oldie, hey, and if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to the family. Most importantly, if you are from NJ's channel, you are very welcome. Shout out to NJ. I'm going to put her Instagram, her YouTube name on the screen and in the description box. NJ's channel is so interesting. Like, she gives variety, all sorts, I love all the discussions she has on her channel, guys. So you might want to click on her channel and go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, shout out to NJ and thank you so much, girl. I haven't met NJ yet, but I really feel like we're already friends. You know, when we meet, we're not going to have any awkward moments. By the way, I'm nursing a fever blister. I had a bit of a fever last week, but I'm recovering from that. So yeah, right now it's going to be a bit of a vlog. I'm going over to my friend's studio and I haven't seen them in a while, so I'm going over there. Usually when we go there, it's always fun and games. We play Ludo, words and all sorts. We make a lot of noise. So let's go. Okay guys, so we're here. So I parked outside today. Guys, I usually park inside because one day they broke into my car and my friend's car and took everything that she works with. But today inside is full, so I have to park outside and then be conscious of when there's space inside so I can go inside. So let's go inside and let the crazy begin. Oops.
Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me. Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me. Take me with them, take me with you. Don't leave me, take me with you, take me with you. Don't leave me, don't leave me. You're vlogging your day? Yes. Don't leave me, 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 don't leave me. If I give you a bottle of Fanta and I give you a stick, we put them together, you are fantastic. If I'm holding corn and I'm standing in a farm, confirm. Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me. You don't need this yourself. See my lap so much weight. Are you serious? See my lap. Come and sit down on top. That's the laptop. Oh, leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me. You see this is my bag. If I put something inside, what am I doing? I bag it. Bag it? Baguette. 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 Don't leave me, master. What is this sanitizer? And this hand. What's that? Hand sanitizer. Oh my god.
So I'm in the studio, guys. Mike, say hi.
Hello. Hello.
Fashionista Inanna.
Hey, how is that? May you please help me chop this?
Chef T. Sorry. Focus me.
Maybe.
Don't leave me.
Leave me.
Say hi.
How are we knocking it? First to get this.
Shaya.
Okay, so we're playing Ludo.
Just go like this now.
It's okay.
Yeah, no.
Like how?
Let's all play now.
No.
First person to
get
six.
six.
If you get one, you get one.
Or do you no man's land?
Yeah,
Don't leave me, don't leave me. Don't leave me.
You mean
Yes.
for no?
You are jokers.
Who's
What I say? You not me now.
Why? There's camera capturing all your every move. I just said what's your thought?
Yes, cancel.
No, no.
Marriage cancel.
Don't leave us, don't leave us.
For that, you want to.
In where?
And don't touch.
The world is going to watch it.
But don't touch.
I'm not. How else? This is the time. your hand.
Yeah.
No, you're not playing.
Oh, okay.
Hey! Hey!
Carry your water now.
Leave it now, it's my good luck water.
Then put it
Please stop pushing me. Can you just allow me to be? But the place is tight.
It's okay, you can hustle yourself.
Which color did you take?
Red.
This
Who
is
said
done.
no, what you want? Yes, it's the
Which
thing.
new rule that every using time?
You see it, if you did not play now.
Which new rule that every? Because I brought. Focus, let me help you. Focus your blood. I'll help you.
Help you to do
Bro,
what?
I'm not dead for him. Are you like lobbying now?
When you can at least
What
come
do you
out,
get?
you then you can help him.
I can't be loading at me. Play.
I thought you were helping.
Hey, God, thank you.
No. It's the only thing you could do amplifiers. Amplifiers.
It's actually helping.
In where? Please
It's
stay.
helping.
It's not part of it.
No.
Because it's 6
No, that's the bad part. We're not looking for
But you're helping us.
Yes, it's a long way now.
person.
Even better. Play.
The person. Wait now. Hey! One 6, 2 6, remaining 1 more 6 and 3. No. Yes, it's 3 4 4 3 you played. What did you play? Excuse me, wait. Did you bring
Rewind camera.
4 6 1 6 2 6 7 killed. Then that you have how many 6 left? 3 6. You can't be 2 6.
You have 2 6 left. 6 4. Then you have 3 6s and 3.
If you kill 6, you only kill 1. You have 2 out. Info.
Move. What did you get?
You that you are slow, you want to help someone.
I'll help you.
Oh, yeah.
Which one do you
This
need?
camera is supposed to show this thing inside. Because when DJ is in this game, don't
Have
be
you
just.
seen it? Like I never left.
Oh, yes.
I don't know between me and you who. You must you touch it.
Today, because this place is tight.
So you mustn't touch
No.
it. Put your
My
legs
shot
together.
is tight, as you can see.
Yes, I feel you want
No, this is my first one. I filled it before now. I even brought it out. Then 5 to 1 to
Okay, I got the one I want to do.
Are you in this game at all? Look at what they are using it
I
to.
use the game, you guys. I use the game.
When people that can play are talking, it's not sure.
We too. When people like all
You are spitting in my face. Same number. Get out. Who begged you? I saw it before it happened. You were just your own. Get out!
Yes.
This is fine.
No
Nah,
way.
that's-
Yeah.
I go nowhere.
Take now.
Class.
Yeah. Perhaps that's why you're not out. You need to find peace within yourself. Try.
This one is out.
Don't worry, wait first. Just wait.
This out.
Just wait.
I want to help you.
You're spitting in my feet. Don't you know that this game is going? If this one don't please play.
No, this one is street. You take this one out.
Please, just calm down.
Okay, they will kill that. You should take it out.
And play again. If I give you backhand, weak, dirty girl, dirty fair girl.
John. Today is jumping ship. Stay with one person. You open and leave me with focus media.
You have to beg for forgiveness. I will not. Please take
That's
it.
bad.
Shake it very well. 5-5.
Where? To 5.
Hey, back me up and I got it before I come.
Magnified. Get out.
Who sent you?
He did. He did. Go now. It's ready. You're safe. 9 number. Get
Hey.
out. Hello. The game is almost over. Not dropping. Come out.
6-1.
I will still like you.
I'm not playing with you.
Don't play. Please don't use that. Come and complete your video. Hey. It's too late.
Yeah.
What are you going to use it for? Don't talk too much. You know how this game goes. Again. You know.
6-1.
Go and stay here. Don't do anything. I'll go and stay there.
I told you. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Next time, Mickey, you don't give you back job.
But you know,
it's
better. You would have had 2 options. You would have killed you anyway.
I can see it now.
If you come and see
That's how you do it.
If he had moved the 1, 2, 3 would have killed him. If he came and 6-1, he wouldn't have died. He wouldn't have.
The blues. Read the blues.
So I need.
Why did you cancel me? What? I felt it. You might cancel me. Please give him the dice, please. I'll finish it.
I felt it. Don't touch me. You know what I'm doing? Look at
Shut up. See me this.
No, come on.
Finally, no, which one you want to use?
Let him go.
Get out! Don't touch me. And by the angle, you can do it. You have only 1 out. When you have 3, you can't talk to you. You have 1 on the board. You can talk to him. You are not on the board of directors. Outside members out. Outside. Outside. Now you are out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get out.
Can we talk?
He did it.
What now?
Bubble 6, 3, 1.
Count it.
You
I didn't give me. Count it.
Well, you are 6, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1. What did
So much service like
you win! You win!
So you made us make our time because that is.
You Mike, even saw when I counted you. Continue to come out and go back in. Oh, my God.